What's up? How you doing? Greetings and salutations this early morning, 2:59 a.m. So I'm working on this video here and I just wanted to go over something really quickly. Yet again, another CapCut software video. However, this is where the really good get really good. So what I'm working on is this first little piece, the intro, right? So this is the music. So what I'm about to enter into is the animal roars and the growls and such, right? So it had one, but I'm going to stick that one over there. As far as the other ones are concerned, I needed them, right? Didn't exactly know what I needed, but I knew I needed them. So what I did was I opened up OBS. I can't show you this now because I have OBS running as we speak, or as I speak, literally recording what I'm doing. However, all I did is I went to Google, I typed in, no I didn't, sorry, I went to YouTube, and I typed in scary animal noises, right, and I ran across this video. So I opened up OBS, I started the recording, and I recorded the entire way, didn't make no noise or anything, right? So that's what I did, and then I stopped the recording. So now what we have to do is we got to go to CapCut, open up a new project, import. It should be, I don't know where your import is saved, but mine's always saved to the folder that I have to stick all my recordings into. I believe that was the last one. This one, don't click on that. When you see that icon, that means that's the current OBS file that's recording, which is this one. So you click that and you go here. I did a couple others as well. So we're not really gonna, all right, so once you got it here, go to menu, file, export, unclick the video exporting and click export audio. Export. Tells you, right? I have mine set to my desktop, and that's the audio file. So this I don't really need anymore, so we could delete that file. Throw the audio into CapCut and pull the audio down. Now, if you didn't know CapCut could do this, welcome. So now all we have to do is we have to go through and we have to isolate each sound. Can't really see it because of the levels, so I'm gonna increase the volume just so we can see it a little bit better. I can't really hear it that well. I'm old and I have bad hearing. Just so if we want to, just to see, I should have left this. Click this little mute audio clip button. So now we could start off. So I know I got everything. There it is, the bad stuff. Yeah. So I was recording bat noises. So right here is good. Whoops. Alright. Right there. Control B does a split, or you could just hit that button. So I'm splitting it there, and I want to keep this part. Maybe. And this is the bat wings. I was trying to get bat wings flapping. Come on, where's it at? Where's it at? Is that it? I don't know if I got that or not. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I'll have to go back through and get better batwing flyings. Searches. So right there. The first one, I think. This first one is dead. Backspace, highlight, backspace. So that's that one, right? The squeaks. Yep. And then this was all dead, right? This was all search. Search, search. Okay. There we go. This should be that file. Yeah. Okay. So we'll take that one. Control B. Control B. I'm guessing all these tall ones are the noises. Control B. Control B. Really dull. That was a good one. Oops. Alright, so we can get rid of this. Get rid of this. That was a good one. What was this again? That was actually a pretty good one there. Split. That could go away. Well, I mean, the video file's actually relevant. Yeah, actually, here. Boop. I don't got to worry about that no more. Alright, that was the bad stuff. That was nothing. You hear the dog's bell. Let's see if I can try to clean that dog's bell. That's good. There it is. So right there. Split. Delete. Good. No more dog bell. This is actually a good one too. Right there. Split. Shave off the end of that. Shave off the beginning of that. I don't know if it'll be able to clean the dog one out of that one. Maybe there. So as you can tell, all we're doing right now is just cleaning up the audio. Okay. This is us, I believe. So, for your files here. Now we're going to save each individual audio file. Go through it one more time. Okay, I could do a better job of this. I'm pretty sure I could find a better sound than that. Shave the end off of that. Shave the end off of that. That's a nice little hiss in the background. That off. Cut that off. You hear the click every time. Click, click. That mouse click, man. Shave that off. And then the rest of it is copacetic. Okay, great. Now that we have our audio files cleaned up, it's good to go. Select all of them except for that one. Right click. Cut. So it's just this one. File. Export. Export audio. What is, I forget. Row 1. Export. Okie dokie. Hit the back button. First one. Gone. Grab everything. Rinse and repeat. This is going to be called Growl 2. How original. I know. Can you guess what the name will be? Did you guess it? Did you guess it? There's no music in the background. Kind of going cray-cray over here. Got popping off like you wouldn't believe. What number are we at? 3, 4. Can't remember. I lost count. This will be 4. This will be 5. This will be 6. And just like that, yeah, it took a while, right? It took a minute. But just like that, you have 6 separate audio files to go along with whatever video that you're trying to make. Oh, that was muscle memory. That was muscle memory. So we go back to our original file, right? The thing that we're working on. Zoom in on it a little bit, man. And everything's saved to my desktop. Right? So we need to hear some growls. Right? That's good. That's good. Actually, let's go ahead and put them all in here. So when this first kicks in, well, you know what? I'm not going to go into this because this video is just supposed to be about the sound, and I was about to continue going. Hope you learned something. Grow stronger. Video, everyone. Ooh, I switched it up.